In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent others from creating and adding new sheets in Google Sheets. This is a handy feature if you want to maintain control over your document and ensure it remains organized as you intend. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheet. If you're not already there, just head over to your Google Drive and select the spreadsheet you want to secure. Once your sheet is open, the next step is to highlight the cells that you want to protect. In this case, we'll highlight cells A1 to D14. This selection will help pinpoint the area in your worksheet that you want to secure from unwanted changes. Next, move your attention to the top menu and click on Data. This drop-down menu is where you'll find several useful options to manipulate and manage your data. From here, choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. This option will open a pane on the right side of your screen where you can set the permissions for your selected cells. In the pane that appears, type in Cannot be edited to give a clear label to this protected range, which makes it easier to manage if you have multiple protected ranges in your spreadsheet. It's a good practice to have descriptive names for protected ranges, especially if you're dealing with multiple datasets. Now click on Set Permissions. This is where you determine who can make changes to the protected area. A dialog box will pop up. Select the option Only You to restrict editing access exclusively to yourself. This prevents other users from modifying the contents of the highlighted cells. Once you've set the permissions, click Done. This confirms your settings and ensures that this range is now protected according to your specifications. Repeat this process for any other specific ranges or cells that you want to keep secure. If you have another sheet, like Sheet 2, that you'd also like to protect, click on that tab. Then, navigate to Add a Sheet or Range from the same Protect Sheets and Ranges menu on the side pane. Once again, label it by typing in Locked from Editing to indicate its protected status. Go through the same steps. Click Set Permissions, select Only You from the options provided, and then hit Done to finalize your settings. And there you have it. With these steps, you've managed to lock down sections of your spreadsheet, preventing unauthorized changes and maintaining the integrity of your data. If you follow these instructions, you should find it easy to keep your Google Sheets exactly how you want it, without unexpected edits or changes by others. Thanks for watching, and happy securing.